Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Chaffles for Life, episode 48, Tutti Frutti Yogurt Coconut Flour Chaffles. Well, I got an idea where I had some frozen fruit. I thawed it out over the countertop. So what I did was I took one egg, I took a tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 full tablespoon of full fat yogurt, and 1 cup of chopped cheddar cheese, about 2 tablespoons of Choc Zero, and that yielded 2. And then I got everything mixed all together, and then I got the mini dash going, and then I got 2 nice and golden brown Chaffles out of that. And then I ended up taking the Choc Zero, put it over the top, and then I took some more yogurt and put it on top of the Chaffle, and that was my snack for the day. Came out real great, and I would encourage you guys to keep trying on these Chaffles and be creative like I did. And now we'll go right into the rest of the video, and have an amazing day. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.